My name is Joseph Bichanga, aka Macumba, and I want to speak on behalf of the silent majority of this nation, the youthful community of this nation. Mnajua vizuri kwamba vijana si katika jamii ya Kisii peke yake. Vijana ni jamii zote za Kenya ambao ndio wengi. The destiny of our youth, yes, might not be written by high voices. Yes, I know. But also, it cannot be written by big bank accounts. Our youths, we are going through a very difficult era where the leadership of materialism is taking the silent ruling. And all of us should stay worried. But I want to encourage our youth that yes, those whom we have given power through the laws of this country, they may see us powerless, but we as the youth are not powerless. We have the power of casting a vote. The time has come that leaders cannot unite to sanitize corruption. Leaders cannot unite to prove that inability of a certain leader should be entertained in this country. And that is why we as a community, we are proud of our son, whom we have fronted to be a flag bearer when time is right, come 2027. A man who has a record that is clear, a man who is known for his performance. Kwa hiyo naambia wote ambao mmechaguliwa hapa Kisii na sehemu zingine za Kenya, tafadhali vijana wanawangoja. The time is coming when it is your name against the marking scheme, and then the returning officer is going to give you your answers.